love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take.
Hence, the Stuttgart automobile brand no more supplies coupe and exchangeable versions of the E-Class and C-Class, as the CLE works as their substitute. Revealed last summertime, the CLE ports between the C and E-Class in regards to dimension, and it is more detailed to the last, hence offering a more spacious cockpit contrasted to the two-door versions of the Audi A5 and BMW 4 collection. No one will certainly confuse it for anything else aside from a Mercedes, as the CLE has an extremely acquainted design. The exact same goes for the inside, too, with its kindly sized double screens. It obtains stuff such as 5G and allows users to hold Zoom conferences, play Angry Birds, and scroll via TikTok. As usual, interested parties will need to obtain the higher specifications to gain from extra gizmos. The present range topper of the series, up until the 63 shows up, is the CLE 53 4MATIC Plus. It features an updated 3.0-liter Turbo 6, assisted by an incorporated starter generator and a 48V system. It puts 442 horsepower, 449 PS/330 kW, and 413 lb-ft, 560 Nm of torque under the driver's appropriate foot, with the latter number enhancing to 443 lb-ft, 600 Nm, on overboost. The 0 to 62 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, takes 4.2 seconds, and the full throttle is 155 or 168 miles per hour, 250 to 270 kilometers per hour, with the AMG driver's pack alternative. Mercedes' decision to replace the two-door variations of the C and E with a single model, the CLE, resembles a clever relocation, especially because traditional low-slung versions are losing substantial ground to crossovers and SUVs. Therefore, there will most likely never ever be a C-Class and an E-Class Coupe/Convertible, yet that does not mean that these models cannot exist in Fantasyland. Case in point, let's provide a cozy welcome to the 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class Coupe. Sketched out, brightened, and shared on social media recently by SugarDesign_1, these makings depict a two-door version of the latest Gen E-Class with a dealt-with roof over the passenger compartment.